Welcome to Outdoors with Todd. I'm Todd, and you all know Linda, and I got two poochers in the back, and we're heading down the highway again. Everybody, stick with us. Heading down the highway once again, and we're heading to Drumheller, Alberta. Drumheller is famous for all the dinosaurs and the fossils, and it's also home to a lot of fossils that have been found around Alberta, which is awesome. So we're going camping with the dinosaurs. Everybody, hope everybody's doing well. Enjoy the video. We'll see you soon. Where are we now, honey?
We are 80 kilometers away from Drumheller.
80 kilometers, we're getting there. And for the last probably 100 kilometers, we've been driving through all farmlands, but it's all very hilly farmlands and down some pretty cool valleys. So definitely the scenery is changing down here. We went from boreal forest in Fort McMurray to flat farmland to really hilly rolling farmland now, which is awesome. Beautiful drive down here. Unreal. So 80 kilometers, we're almost there. We should be entering Badlands anytime, I think. So stick with us. We're having a time. Woo-hoo. How's it going, everybody? We finally made it to a campground. We're at a place called Dinosaur Trail, RV Park and Campground. And it is pretty awesome here. There's some old growth trees here. Beautiful. And everything's in fall colors. It is absolutely amazing here. So we did some searching around Drumheller and surrounding area for campsite. And we finally found this one. I think we checked 3 other ones. But this is the best one by far. So here we are, Dinosaur RV Park and Campground. Woo! Fried hot dogs for supper. Easy supper today. It's getting late and we're getting tired. We are starving. Looking forward to this one. What a beautiful campsite here. So beautiful with all the fall colors. Unreal. And there's a good view of the Badlands right behind us here. I'll show you that in a bit. Cheers, everybody. Quick and easy, but good. That's how I like my women. Check out that view we got here. Unreal. It's my first time down here, so pretty surprised when we came into the Badlands. We had a really good supper. Those hot dogs are pretty good, went down really good. You like them?
Oh, they were good.
They were just fried on the frying pan, just quick and easy. We had to get her done. We were starved. So here's the boys, Thorian and Mocha. And we're out here checking out this campground, around the campground. And it is beautiful out here. The fall colors out here are unreal, making it so nice. You like that, honey?
Oh, it's really nice.
That's your favorite season, right?
One of my favorites.
The other favorite is winter. My kind of woman. My kind of woman. So tomorrow is Linda's birthday. Linda's 44th birthday. Did I say that out loud? Oh my God. Sorry, I meant it in reverse. This place is unreal, guys. Check this out. It's like being on a different planet. It's the first time I've ever been here, and it's awesome. The big mountains and stuff that are around us here are hills, I don't know what you call them. But it is beautiful. We're gonna walk down here. So nice out here. There's actually campsites on this hill here. So anyways, we're exploring again. We're down in Drumheller, Alberta. Unbelievable down here. As you can tell, we're now in the tent. We are pooped from that drive today. Well, that was awesome. So beautiful on the way down here. Couldn't believe that. That was amazing. And being in Drumheller itself, in the Badlands, unbelievable. So cool. So everybody, the old fogies, the old dinosaurs here, we're hitting the hay early. So we'll see you in the morning, everybody. Have a good night. Good morning, everybody. We're up and at 'em here. A little bit chilly overnight. So we're going to get up here now and get on the go. I don't know what we're going to do yet, so stick with us. And it's happy birthday for Linda. Happy birthday, Linda. Yeah, Mommy's birthday, Titi. The boys are ready to rock and roll here. As soon as I turned the light on there, they flew right up here. Okay, everybody. We'll talk to you in a bit. Right now I got turkey, bacon, and coffee going. It's going to be a good morning. It's a little chilly out here today. It's about 7 or 8 degrees out. That's what you know. Cheers, honey.
Cheers.
It's our favorite time of day again, everybody. It's coffee time. And it is beautiful out here in Drumheller. Cheers, everybody. Beautiful view having coffee this morning. Unbelievable. It's like being on the moon here. It's like being on a different planet.
That's good coffee.
They were drinking Tim Hortons maple flavored coffee. And it is really good. Really tasty. Oh, that's good. We're having turkey bacon, which is my honey's favorite, and it's her birthday, so she gets what she wants. And we're having eggs with a bunch of peppers and stuff in it. Came in a carton just like this. Really easy cooking and really good cooking.
Take that from you now.
Get down there, bud. You'll do
Nice
it.
try, Gigi. Excuse you.
So after we get going here today, we're going to head over to the Royal Tyrrell Dinosaur Museum. And we're gonna have to take turns going in. Linda's gonna go in first, and I'm gonna take the dogs on a big hike. There's a trail just down the street from there. So while she's in there for a few hours, I'm gonna take them out hiking, tire them out, and I'm gonna run in after quickly and have a look myself. So cheers, everybody. We're enjoying the morning so far. How's it going, everybody? We're just leaving Dinosaur RV Park and Campground. RV Park and Campground, yeah, that's right. That's a beautiful spot here. I gotta be honest with you, I'm pretty happy with that spot. The scenery around there is good. All the facilities are top notch. The customer service there is number one for sure. The ladies there at the store are unbelievable. And the store is really fully stocked and a large store. And 1 second here now, I gotta make a maneuver around the truck here. Anyways, the campground is number one in my opinion. Those people are awesome. The facilities awesome. Campsites are all clean, beautiful. There's older big trees that are all in full fall colors, which is awesome. So beauty. So right now we're driving towards what's it called? Tyrrell Dinosaur Museum.
Yeah.
And we're heading there now. We're going to spend a few hours there, and then we're going to figure out what we're going to do after that. So, good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. I get to finish off Linda's coffee, so I'm a happy guy here. Currently, we're in the town of Drumheller now. We're doing a dinosaur hunt. They have a bunch of random dinosaurs everywhere around the city, and that's what we're doing. As you can see, we are currently right in front of the world's largest dinosaur. That is awesome. We're at the tourist information booth here at Drumheller. We're celebrating someone's birthday. Happy birthday, sweetheart.
Thank you.
So anyways, be sure to wish Linda a happy birthday in the comments, everybody. But we're doing the dinosaur hunt right now, and we're going to share that with you a little later. But we're going to continue our search, and then we're heading to the Royal Tyrrell Museum. So see you in a bit. So I just come out of this really cool cafe and a store here. It's an old farmhouse. And throughout the farmhouse, in the different rooms in the farmhouse, there's a store. There's a bunch of clothing, candles, and one room on the basement here has a really nice cafe. So of course I picked up some coffee. This place is called the Homestead Cafe and Museum. And it is so cute here. So right now we're on the way to Royal Tyrrell Museum. Just doing a little pit stop for some coffee. Having a time. So I just dropped Linda off at the Royal Tyrrell Dinosaur Museum. And me and the poochers here are on a trail called McMullen Isle. We're gonna have a look at this trail, see what happens here. I think this trail goes across the highway into the Badlands. This is just down the road from the museum, actually. So here we go. And we just seen a squirrel, so I'm being pulled here. The squirrels here are pretty huge. They're gray squirrels. I don't know if that's the type of breed there or what the name is, but they're pretty huge, and they can see them a mile away. So they're excited, those two. So here we are in the Badlands, just outside of Drumheller. We're just inside Drumheller for morning, and it was unreal. One of the craziest but coolest places I've ever been, to be honest. It's almost like being on another planet here. This whole place is blowing my expectations out of the water here. I'm mind blown here. It's unreal. It's so beautiful. And these guys are really excited. So we're out for a hike. McMullen Island Trail. Talk to you in a bit. Check that out, guys. That is unreal. Look at this. Wow. That is so cool out here. Pretty dry out here. 12 degrees right now, but there's no moisture in the air whatsoever down here. Having a time, having a time. Hopefully Linda's enjoying the museum. Birthday girl. Beautiful out here. Okay, we're on the move again. What did one hoodoo say to the other hoodoo? How do, hoodoo? That's a dad joke for you. I got one more coming. What's a hoodoo's favorite band? Of course, Hoodoo and the Blowfish. Please don't unsubscribe, please. So, we're back to the truck. What a beautiful hike. So Linda is just out of the Dinosaur Museum. How was it?
Oh my God, I could stay in there all day.
I bet you it's awesome. So it's my turn now, and the dogs are tired now, which is good. So she can take it easy and relax, and I'm going to go in and have a look. So I'll see you when I get out. Apparently she took 1,000 pictures, so I don't need to. So. We're just leaving Royal Tyrrell Dinosaur Museum. Speechless. I can't believe that those animals are walking on the same earth that I'm walking on right now. Unreal. So awesome. And a lot of those fossils are coming from Alberta, from the oil sands up in Fort McMurray, and a lot of them here in the Drumheller area, in the Dinosaur Park area. That is unbelievable. So, right now, we're going to give you a photo dump of all the pictures taken from the museum. Enjoy!
this place.
So what we're doing now is we're doing a highway drive called the Dinosaur Trail. It's a little under 50-kilometer drive. And one of the portions of this drive, you got to cross the Red Deer River on a ferry, which is awesome. So we're doing that right now. We're going to have a look right through all the Badlands here. So enjoy the views. Right now we're on the ferry crossing the Red Deer River, and it was pretty awesome. Look at this. So cool. Is this the only ferry in Alberta, I wonder? I'm not 100% sure. We'll see. We'll have a look it up after. Just taking a quick snack break here. Not a bad spot. A nice sheltered little building here. Where's the birthday girl? Here we are. Beautiful little spot here. Happy birthday, honey!
Thank you.
Yay! Tell them where we're going now, honey.
Now we're going to go to Horseshoe Canyon.
Horseshoe Canyon? More viewpoints. You know I love a good view. Can't wait. Having a time. Having a time. Butterscotch latte, all Canadian mousse ice cream. Cheers, honey.
Cheers.
What the hell?
You guys want kisses too?
You stealing my kisses? They deserve kisses too. They're good boys. Sometimes. Oh, delicious. We're here at Horseshoe Canyon. We're here at Horseshoe Canyon, enjoying ice cream. There's Horseshoe Canyon and there's Horse Thief Canyon in this area, so we went there as well. Beauty. Wanna try mine? Maybe if I can get it out here. Spoons aren't down.
Switch.
That's pretty good. Cheers, everybody. We're enjoying ourselves. We ain't winning no weight loss competitions. Next stop, the Hoodoos.
The hoodoos that you do.
The Hoodoos. How do? Hoodoo. Remember I told you that joke on the trail earlier. It's gonna come to real life right now too.
Turn left onto Township Road 284.
Okie dokie. See you there. We are now at the Hoodoos right now, and Linda got out of the truck and is walking over there. There's a bunch of stairs and stuff. You can go climb around the Hoodoos. So she's gonna go up there and take some pictures, have a look. I can see it pretty decent down here. It's pretty cool. But we'll see what she gets when she comes back. We'll share it with you.
Park.
Yeah, we're heading down this farm road for 25 kilometers. And the place that we're driving in right now is farmland until the eye can see. And it feels like it's very high elevation. Really cool up here. Pretty neat. We're going to show you now. We'll turn the camera around and show you. camp here now. And we had a beautiful day. That was unbelievable. This area is out of this world, to be honest. So we're almost back to camp. And the plan now is to get showered up, get some supper, and then hit the hay. So we're basically done for today. So we'll see you in the morning. We got coffee and toast on the go this morning. Easy breakfast today. Water is boiling. We're getting into it already. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Coffee and peanut butter toast. It's our favorite time of day again. It's coffee time. And we're down at beautiful Drumheller. So awesome down here. Cheers, everybody. Cheers, anybody. Oh, number one, that coffee is delicious. Toast is good too. We're not in the mood for a big breakfast here this morning. So the plan this morning is we're going to enjoy our coffee and breakfast, and then we're going to get ready and pack up and head on out of Drumheller. And we're thinking we're going to go to a place called Cross Lake. It's between Westlock and Athabasca. It's a provincial park. So when we're on the way out of here, we'll see you then. Cheers, everybody. Let's have a toast. I'm horny, aren't I? We're all fueled up and now we're leaving Drumheller, heading back up north. I gotta tell you, what a spot. What a spot. So beautiful down here. So amazing. So different. It is unreal. And the campsite we stayed at, Dinosaur Park, RV Park and campground, that was top notch. I'm going to give that one an 8 out of 10. That was a beautiful spot. And the staff there, they were awesome. And the guy who ran it, he had a Karelian bear dog just like us, so obviously he's getting a couple more points for that. So here we go. We're on the highway again. We're on the move again. So as you remember yesterday, we did a dinosaur hunt. And right now, here's all those pictures from all those dinosaurs. Enjoy! Kind of hooped. We used to come down here years ago. We came down here like 5 or 6 years in a row, and it's been open past October. And now the campground is closed. Apparently closed right after the Labor Day weekend. So I guess we're not staying here. So we'll let you know what comes up. We're winging it now. Now we're adventuring. See you in a bit, everybody. How's it going, everybody? You know us. We had to get ice caps. Can't come on a road trip without getting an ice cap. So. Yes, we were pretty disappointed after we went to Cross Lake and that was closed. We went there for like 5 or 6 years in a row, and it was always been open at this time. This is the time we've always went there, during her birthday. So it's always been open, and today, for some reason, they closed it this year. So very disappointing, but it's all you can do. And the sad part is, Cross Lake French Park is really out of the way. It's probably like an hour and a half away from anything. So after we drove that highway back down to Athabasca, we decided it's best for us to just head her home. So we grabbed our ice cap, grabbed the snack, and now we're heading down the highway to go back home. But anyways, it's okay, because the star of the show was Drumheller. Drumheller was absolutely wonderful. Can't beat that place. That was unreal, wasn't it?
That was awesome.
Just being down there was my favorite part, I think. Driving around and looking at the different scenery down there, that was unreal. The Badlands is unbelievable. So anyways, thank you, Drumheller. Thank you to the staff at Dinosaur Trail RV Park and Campground. Those people were awesome. And that place was awesome. I love that place. Good views of the Badlands from behind the campsite. That was unbeatable. Can't beat it. So everybody, I'm Todd. And you know my 44-year-old honey, Linda. Remember, 44 years, but it's backwards. It was her birthday yesterday, so don't forget, leave her a message in the comments. I'd really appreciate that, and I'm sure she would too. So everybody, I'm Todd, and you're watching Outdoors with Todd. We'll catch you in the next one, everybody. It's famous for all the fossils and dinosaur bones, and which is the same thing. Gee. Right. We're at a place called Dinosaur Trail RV and Campground. Did you just fart?
I did not.
Oh, I thought you farted. What's the noise? What are we doing? What's the Toshi?
It's Jojo's collar.
How's it going, everybody? We are finally at a campground. We did some searching around Drumheller and area, and we found one that we really like. We're at a place called, it sounds like a fart. Butterscotch latte, all Canadian.
You're so excited for ice cream.
Yeah, apparently. That's gonna be in the highlight reel. The blooper reel. Okay, let's try it again. All Canadian. Oh. What did I say it was?
Butterscotch latte.
I'm all puzzled now. Okay,